Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to walk you through how to get started with the periodic table scavenger hunt activity. So, from the assignment in Google Classroom, we're going to open up the scavenger hunt document, the link to PTable.com, which you can also click right here, and the link to the periodic videos on YouTube. That will be for the end. So let's look at the site for PTable.com real quick. When we're on the site, we want to make sure that we do the following. We're going to start by making sure that the Property tab is selected and that we have Top View selected as well. Sorry, Top Bar selected as well. And then we can get ready to get started. I'm going to show you how to answer questions 1 through 3. So, question 1 wants to know what color element symbol lets you know that the elements are a gas at the current temperature on the slider. Well, if we look at the key here, we see that gases are red. So we would just type in when an element symbol is red, we know that it is a gas. So question 2 wants us to look at the little table in the middle of the screen, which I've also included a screenshot of here, and it wants to know which family, so that is a top to bottom column, so that ignores these two, has the light pink color. If we look for the vertical ones, we see we have a dark purple and a light pink. So the transition metals are in light pink, is what we would fill in there. And then for step 3, it wants us to click on magnesium and tell us what types of specific information is given about the element in the enlarged area, and give a general list. So I'm going to have to go back to PTable, click on magnesium, and I get a list of the information up here. Now, I am going to split my tabs. So I'm going to take this one, drag it all the way to the right, and then select the one that has my document in it, so I can look at them at the same time. So if I wanted to summarize what it tells me about magnesium, I can do that. So you'll give a full list of what you can see here. Now let's scroll down further. You'll be able to answer the rest of these questions on your own using all the information there. One of the things that I want to point out is that if you hover over the different groups, it highlights a different part of the table. There are also some GIFs showing you how to change some of the settings. When you get to question 12, you're going to watch a couple of YouTube videos. Now, there are a few that are embedded. You'll just click those to open them up and watch them. But in the end, I want you to go to this whole channel, periodic videos. Once you open this up, you're going to use the search function to look for any element that you want to. So for example, I'm going to look up germanium. and then I want you to watch the video about it. And then you will answer these 2 questions.